Blockbuster didn't fail because of Netflix.
That's like saying a boxer lost the fight because the other guy showed up.
No, Blockbuster walked into the ring ready to fight, talking about how DVDs are going to be forever, and they got knocked out on the first round. So Netflix didn't beat Blockbuster. Blockbuster beat itself. In the early 2000s, Netflix literally offered to sell for just $50 million, and Blockbuster laughed.
Streaming? Yeah, that's not the future.
They thought their business model was untouchable. Just like MySpace in 2005 thinking Facebook was just a phase. Fast forward a few years and Netflix is worth billions, and Blockbuster, well, they became a meme. And they're not alone. Kodak, Toys R Us, Nokia, all brands that treated change like a suggestion instead of a survival requirement. So here's the uncomfortable truth. We're in another major pivot right now. The question is, are you adapting or are you about to be the next Blockbuster? I'm breaking down exactly how to stay ahead in the full mastery outline of the business pivot principle. One problem, one solution in just 1 hour. So let's make sure your business doesn't end up as an example in someone else's video. AI is changing the game at warp speed. And just like before, some businesses will adapt and thrive while others will be featured in my future videos. So how do you stay ahead of the curve? That's exactly what we're breaking down in the full mastery outline, because I want to save the future Blockbusters of the world before they become an ironic Halloween costume. Click the link for the business pivot principle or risk your business's future. See you there.